Okay, broadcasting episode 6. By far my most favorite episode. It had nice stunts and it was full of love. Full of love. We started with the elimination. Abhi, Vikas and Manpreet were in the elimination zone. They challenged Yash and Humay. Actually, Arun और पूर्णिमा को challenge करना चाहते थे, but Arun और पूर्णिमा were immune. So they had to challenge Yash and Humay, which actually didn't work out very well for them. Yash and Humay went first for the task. Then it started raining, which was really beautiful. So the whole idea of doing the task in the rain and everyone standing in the rain and feeling cold was really lovely. Yash and Humay completed their task in 21 minutes. They lost a little time on the first segment of the task, which was called the Hillary steps. But after that, they went really fast. सब कुछ जल्दी से हो गया. After that came Vikas and Manpreet. Now Vikas, because of his fears or his weight, I think managed not very well to do the task. काफ़ी बार उसका balance off हुआ, काफ़ी बार गिरा. But the best part is he didn't give up at all, which is good. And I think from Vikas's point of view, the only reason why he did this was to impress Manpreet. And Manpreet did the task very, very beautifully. Before we started all that, there was a couple of really cute moments actually. Tajeshwar and Samiksha, who were earlier a couple, they broke up, they were friends now, are now finally a couple because of us, because of the perfect couple. And पता क्या हुआ था कि Samiksha wanted Tajeshwar to, take the initiative and ask her out again. So I said that, it's okay for a woman to always also take the initiative sometimes. So it was really sweet. She went, walked all the way there, got a leaf because there's no flower. She went down on one knee. She asked Tajeshwar out. He accepted. Now they're a couple because of us. So that's sweet. Arun and Purnima, their fights have become a little less. They are moving towards becoming the perfect couple, hopefully. Their compatibility level is also rising. The love between them is also becoming stronger. The fights are reduced. So basically we're doing a good job. All in a day's work. It was all good. Vikas and Manpreet are not with us. We gave Vikas a very good opportunity to express कि वो क्या feel करता है मनप्रीत के बारे में. But he should have just told her. Anyway, they're just friends. आगे क्या होगा किसी को कुछ पता नहीं. But at least open your mouth. At least speak your heart out, man. That's all we wanted. But he didn't do it. I think the idiot needs some more time. So we'll give him his time. Maybe someday in life when he develops a little more confidence, he'll do it. But till then, this is the episode 6 of The Perfect Couple. I shall come back to you shortly with episode 7 broadcasting. This is me signing out. Exit stage right.